13 Shocking Futuristic Inventions You Must See 2024. Experience the future because we're about to take you on a mind-blowing journey through the most revolutionary inventions of our time. Get ready to have your mind expanded, your imagination sparked, and your inner sci-fi geek thrilled. And it's more astonishing than you ever thought possible. So let's dive in and explore the shocking, the astounding, and the downright cool. 1. The fillet. Get ready to revolutionize the way we eat. Revo Foods, an innovative Austrian company, has unleashed a groundbreaking 3D food printing technology that's changing the game for industrial food production. This cutting-edge tech uses a high-precision extrusion system to mass-produce a wide range of food products. From authentic meat alternatives, it allows for bulk customization, giving users total control over product specs without needing to tweak the hardware. This is the future of food production, folks. With 3D food printing, we're entering a new era of flexibility. 2. Mutant missile. The Air Force Research Lab, AFRL, is working on a program dubbed Mutant to improve missile range and lethality against highly agile targets. The program employs dynamic morphing, also known as articulation, to improve maneuverability while reducing fin drag. Mutant aims to increase missile turning radius and agility. The program improves range and maneuverability by incorporating a shape-changing control surface into the weapon's core body. 3. Motorcycle airbag. The Danish D-Air motorcycle airbag is intended to protect professional riders on both the track and the road. It features two systems, D-Air Racing and D-Air Road, each tailored for a distinct application. The airbag's design takes into account the most vulnerable places to injury, as well as the necessary range of motion. 4. Vivomo MagRail, technology that allows for the rapid introduction of Hyperloop-inspired transportation within railroads. This technology can double the average speed of conventional railways and update existing infrastructure to 550 kilometers per hour, 340 miles per hour. 5. Magway. The Magway technology invention is about to blow your mind. Here's a world where transportation is faster than a speeding bullet, cleaner than a whisper, and smoother than a cloud. This revolutionary tech uses magnetic levitation to propel vehicles at unprecedented speeds, reducing travel time between cities to mere minutes. 6. Leitner Connex. This technology is intended to overcome topographical or structural limitations and is best suited for metropolitan settings where continuous ropeway versions are not possible. The word connex means connect, referring to the optimum connection between a ropeway-guided and terrestrial system. The connex provides various benefits to passengers, including convenient transportation, adaptability to urban planning requirements, and the ability to avoid infrastructural hurdles. 7. Viking Lifecraft. Kiwi Rail, the operator of the Inter-Islander ferry fleet, plans to deploy the Viking Lifecraft system, a novel evacuation option on its first series of new build vessels. The system, which comprises of 4 203-person self-propelled survival ships, is intended to improve safety while saving space, weight, and time. The technology is part of the company's efforts to future-proof the country's primary link across the Cook Strait. 8. Ocean Hydro Omni. Hydro Wind Energy has launched the Ocean Hydro Omni, a technology designed to address 3 significant 21st-century challenges as low-cost clean electricity, grid-scale energy storage, and water shortage. The system employs high-altitude ocean-based kites and vertical-axis wind rotors, which cut desalination costs by 90%. When compared to conventional wind turbines, the Omni generates, stores, and dispatches power more efficiently. The corporation prioritizes structural design, systems integration, and automation over quantum leaps in technological advancement. 9. Milo. The Milo Smart Portable Blender is a rechargeable magnetic blender equipped with a 500-watt motor and Bluetooth connectivity. It is intended for ease and a sleek appearance. However, it does not allow for complete emulsification of condiments such as mayonnaise. The blender has a spouted lid for convenient transport. Despite its expensive price of $299, it's a worthwhile option for anyone looking for a portable, elegant appliance. 10. Kick It Teams Tennis. Get ready to serve up some fun with the Kick It Team Tennis invention, a shocking, futuristic twist on the classic game. Imagine a court where technology meets tennis, where players wear cutting-edge vests that track their every move, and the ball is equipped with sensors that detect even the slightest spin. 11. SPD-1. The SPD-1 power distribution box is a useful tool for controlling power in a sound bag or cart. It displays battery telemetry data, enabling for simple monitoring of power consumption. The 1.1-inch color screen shows statistics such as total power consumption, battery temperature, voltage, life, and cycle count. The gadget includes 6 unregulated 4-pin push power outputs, allowing you to power many devices at the same time. 12. Priva Campano. Priva, a Dutch business, has unveiled Campano, its first fully autonomous de-leafing robot, which is expected to transform the horticultural sector. The battery-powered robot, which weighs 425 kilograms and measures 6.2 feet, 191 centimeters long, 2.8 feet, 88 centimeters broad, and 5.9 feet, 180 centimeters high, is capable of operating continuously. Its innovative end effector and clever algorithms assure over 85% effectiveness across a weekly range of 1 hectare. 13. Atom. Atom, a home helper robot developed by researchers at Universidad Carlos III and Robotnik, is intended for indoor use. It is outfitted with vision systems and grippers that can perform a variety of physical functions. Atom is modular, allowing its components to work individually or together. That's it for today's countdown of 13 shocking futuristic inventions you must see in 2024. We hope you enjoyed this journey into the future and got a glimpse of the amazing innovations that are changing our world. If you liked this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing content, and hit that share button to spread the excitement with your friends and family. And don't forget to leave a comment below. We love hearing from you and want to know which invention blew your mind the most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.